top 7 best tablet for drone in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Apple iPad Mini 4. Android is very flexible and cost-effective. It brings impressive services, right? But we cannot deny that iOS is any less. In terms of security or camera qualities, you cannot back down iOS because of its brilliant performance and brand commitment. The Apple iPad Mini 4 comes with a 7.9-inch amazing Retina display with a resolution of 2048 x 1536 pixels. This amazing tablet is powered by a dual-core A8 chip with quad-core graphics for an eye-catching graphics experience. For all the photography lovers, the tablet has 8-megapixel side camera, which also captures HD videos. As we already know, the camera quality game of iOS is always on point. This iPad brings 128 GB as storage and can be supported with a microSD card too, based on your preference. Number 6. Google Nexus 9. This is one great tablet that cannot but find its way onto our list of the best tablets for drones. The tablet seems better in every way, and there's no doubt that this is much better as compared with others that also work well for many other purposes. It is not improper to say that this tablet still rates more than average. There are many exciting features that you'll find important as you embed them on your drone flying experience. As we know very well that this device is from Google, but not as much popular as Google itself. There are many other brands but still considered as best tablets for drone. Powered by 64-bit 2.3 GHz NVIDIA Tegra, which provides enough speed for video and most of the other transmissions that are useful for the drone. The product has an 8.9-inch screen size, 2048 x 1536 pixel resolution with a 3-aspect IPS display. Google Nexus 9 comes with a Kepler graphics processor, 2 GB RAM, and a hard drive storage capacity of 32 GB. This is one product that is definitely worth the specification and need. You can also go for Chrome OS tablets if you love to work on Chrome. Number 5. DJI Crystal Sky 7.85. As the Crystal Sky is designed and manufactured specifically for drones, the screen is able to perform in daylight extremely well with minimal glare. It is also incredibly bright, being 3.9x brighter than the iPad Pro and 4.8x brighter than the iPad Mini. The Crystal Sky's dimensions are 8.2x 5.8x 0.7 inches, length x width x depth, and weigh 425 grams. The tablet itself is manufactured from durable industrial-grade plastic and makes use of the IPS display. This makes the screen brighter, with more realistic colors, and rarely heats up. Unfortunately, you must buy a holder for your Crystal Sky, which is annoying but doesn't stop it from being the best tablets for drones around. If you are really serious about flying your drone, this is what you need to buy and realize it the best. Number 4. Lenovo Tab 4 Plus Wi-Fi Plus LTE. Lenovo is one of the most popular brands in the market right now. The Lenovo Tab 4 Plus is powered by octa-core Snapdragon 625 chipset and 2 GB RAM, which assures you the smoothest performance. If you're a gamer, listen up. This tablet has a Adreno 506 GPU, which powers up the gaming style and performance and supports all the game applications. The storage normally is only 16 GB, but this can be expanded up to 256 GB. So that you can enjoy storage comfort under budget. It has 2 cameras. The rear one is 8 MP and the front one is 5 MP for video calling and selfies. The display is 10.1 inches with a full HD view with 1920x1200 resolution. The operating system is Android 7.0 Nougat, which brings you effective service so that your data is not lost. It runs smoothly for 11 hours and is lightly weighted too. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab 8.0. The Samsung Galaxy Tab 8.0 is a good option if you are looking for branded and the best cheap tablets. It comes with an S Pen without charging any more. Unlike with all current competitors, the stylus is attached magnetically. The size of the tablet if easily fit in your controller and great size screen for better visibility. The data taken by the front is also looking very good on its screen due to the color combination and backlight of the screen. If we talk about its battery, then you can run your drone for a longer time. As usual, Samsung pre-installed a lot of software and provide updates optimized for the pen. This is a middle-class tablet that is good enough for most. It features a full HD screen, a decent performance, and a well-optimized Android 9.0 Pie, with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which may be further expanded. Number 2. Dragon Touch Max 10. Even though most of you may not have heard concerning the Dragon Touch brand, it's still an extremely worthy and power-packed tablet. The tablet sports a 10-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 1920 x 1200 pixels, so that consumers won't ever miss any detail. The tablet includes an ample screen size for receiving the most of a 178-degree wide angle. The tablet includes 10-point multi-touch technologies, which is extremely helpful for gaming and multitasking. The tablet computer is powered through an octa-core 1.6 GHz chip clocked to 2.0 GHz. The chip can be assisted using an octa-core high-speed PowerVR SGX 544 GPU for image functionality. The tablet runs Android 9.0, which can be predicted to get Android 6 Marshmallow. Apart from all of the aforementioned specifications, also, it packs in features that are futuristic and provides a battery backup of up to 6 hours on a single charge. Overall, the Dragon Touch X10 is your best tablet for drone. Number 1. NVIDIA Shield Cone. This smartphone tablet is another tablet suitable for flying your drone. In fact, its users increase rapidly and also fully satisfied. Its ability to hold and stability provides a better way to perform for the gamers both indoor and outdoor. Now, its ability to hold well for drone flying and operation has been significantly noticed by many users. Powered by the NVIDIA Tegra Cone processor, which has proven to be an outstanding processor for the demanding activities carried out on the tablet. Everyone knows very well about NVIDIA graphics are best for gaming purposes, but for this multitasking work, this table's processor is the best. No lagging or any glitch plus smooth functioning for other uses too. The most important specification on the NVIDIA Shield, which gives it an edge over some other products, is its HDMI port. With the help of this, user can connect the drone to the screen directly, which provides greater efficiency and make it the best tablets for drones. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best tablet for drone in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.